You may have used the auto design before, but did you know that you can control that auto design very specifically with some tags? So over here we have the auto design feature, but that's going to make some intelligent choices, but let's say you want to make some specific choices. You can do just that. In the grid view, you can open up and you can tag changes. For example, maybe you're scrolling through and you see all of these dog photos you want to be on the same spread. Definitely, you can hit the group button or the G key. And so now those are all grouped together, and I can also select this photo and hit the M key, and that's going to be the main image. I can also scroll through here, and if I see a photo that I definitely want to be a pano in that album, for example, this photo right here, I can just hit the P key or hit that pano button, and now that's going to be a double page spread in that album when the auto design hits it. So we've got a couple more panos here. Additionally, I can hit this C key because I want that to be the cover photo. So you're going through, you want the cover photo to be that one specific image, just hit that C key. And then you're going to go through here and maybe I want these to be on the same page, so I'm going to hit that G key and that M key again. Now let's go back and hit that auto design and show you all of those choices and how it all works out. So I'm going to go ahead and design a 120-page album. And we'll notice that here's that cover photo I wanted that to be. And as we scroll through, we'll also see that main photo that I tagged, and the other photos are on that spread with it. And as we scroll through, we'll also see all of these other panos that I tagged with the P key in that auto design. So make sure if you want to have control over your auto design, just double click on any photo and come into the grid view. And you might see this view at first. The grid view you can open with that icon up top right, and then you can use all of those auto design tags when you're doing an auto design.